Welcome, and follow me as a Blackview A70, and today I'll show you how you can go through the setup of this phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with this screen right over here, and all you want to do is find your desired language from the list right over here. Now I'll stick with English, so that's what I'm gonna simply tap on, and then we can tap on Start to go to the next page. On the next page you have the option to insert your SIM card. Now you can do that or connect to Wi-Fi, and both of those are optional, but the reason we have them like right away is so we can connect to either one of them and have the option to later on log into our Google account, which will also give us another option of restoring our device from like a Google backup. But if you don't really want to do any of that, that's completely fine. You can skip connecting to or inserting your SIM card, and you can also skip connecting to Wi-Fi, as you can see right over here. Now, because of that, Google login page will not show up throughout the setup process, which can be changed later on after the setup has been completed. And additionally, date and time will not be set automatically, so if it's incorrect, you can fix it up here. For me, it selected the correct time zone, just not the correct time. But I will be connecting to a network later on, so I'm just going to leave it as it is, because the device will fix it up later on once I have connected it. Now, on the next page, we have some Google services. And quickly going into those services, we have location, which is just a GPS tracking for the device. So so applications like Google Maps can work properly. Then we have allow scanning, which allows apps on the device simply to look for signals like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then send user and diagnostic data. Allows Google to gather data on you and send it to themselves. That's a little bit creepy, so I'm just going to turn that off. Now on the next page, we can set up some kind of screen lock. And now we have a couple different methods right here. So we have PIN, pattern, or password, and we can also set up a fingerprint, I believe. Yep, at the back. But I'm just gonna use the screen lock itself and nothing else. So there we go. So I just set up a screen lock, and I'm gonna skip the fingerprint. But obviously, if you want to, you can add it. And here we go. Now the setup is completed. So that is how you could go through your setup of the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.